So what is up guys, welcome to episode of Geese. So today we are going to be playing Flood Escape, and this is probably our first time playing Flood Escape on in YouTube really. And wait, I can't even see, I'm so lucky. Okay. Wait, okay, I saw the gravity coil got moved. You know what's like back, I don't know. But I don't know, like 2 years ago, I used to, like, every single day, I'd come back from school and, like, I'd rush to my phone and just play this game. And I would go, what's it called, to hard every single time, just like what I am now. So, I don't know wait, how did he get a zero? Do I get a zero? I don't know. How did he get a zero? But as you can see, I got 168 wins. In my old account, I had like 200 wins, but I don't know, it got hacked or something. Cause I remember seeing I don't know, but like, there was some fishy business going on. I used to never win this, like this part that I just won, I used to never win. Wait, it's so laggy. Oh no. No, okay. Wait, I don't even know. Oh, this is the last level and I already don't know it. Okay, was that lag or did that just come? I don't even know, I'm so laggy. Do I get it or is it already? I don't even know. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, okay, now I know. Yeah, that was dumb. No, ouch. I could have won this one. No, stupid game. One. I'm just gonna wait for the hard or the medium. Finally, I should have won this game. It's so annoying. It's actually just so bad, and I don't know why it even exists. Okay. What do I do now? I hate the intermission. I wish like it just came in straight away. My lag is actually like so good. Okay. I don't even know what's happening. Look at the people. I'm so lucky. Or they're lucky. I don't know. But one of us are lucky. Okay, I'm probably the one that's lucky. How did someone lose? That was like the easiest one in the world. Come on. Oh, look, I can't. Okay. Come on. Oh no, I was scared. I nearly fell. Okay. This is just like some 1982 of the place. I've already won it. Boom. I'm so good at the game. Boop. This is what I like. This is what people used to do like 1 or 2 years ago, or still from now. They would just go here and they get the cup for some reason. Okay, is everyone in? Come in. Ah, she's a troll. Oh, I hate trolls. Come in. Good. What's happening? Okay. The gravity coil is actually like just too OP. It's I remember it used to be like weaker, but now it's just so strong, which is very nice. So I really like that the game very kind every day. No, I'm so stupid. Why I did that over there? I should now go all the way to here. Okay. On. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh no, I have to repeat. Oh no, what am I even doing? Okay. Oh, 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 I don't even know why I did this. I'm actually just so stupid. Oh, I nearly fell. I'm so good. It's actually unbelievable. And then, imagine I felt like in the same time to the vent. Okay. I'm Why can I never do it? Like, why is it always you that do the buttons? Like, I never get to do the button. Finally, see who did it? Who did it? It was Sam. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Don't ever talk to me. Don't chat with me. Okay. I don't even know why people just always go to, like, easy. I understand that they want to get the wins, but, like, it's kind of boring and easy. I want the first one to be hard, the second one to be extra hard, and then the third one would be extreme. That's what I like. Okay, I don't even know what I wasn't talking. Okay, just one more win and I get 170. How long have I been? I don't even know how long I've been recording. Probably like 4 minutes or something. Or like 2 minutes. No, 2 minutes. 6, 5, 4 minutes. I don't know. This is such an easy game. Like, why did it take a year? It's so easy. It took me like 2 seconds. You can't. Oh, I thought she got out. Okay, this is easy. No. Okay. Why is it always dangerous? Like, what's gonna happen? Like, a flood is gonna come in our face in 2 seconds? Actually, yeah, it's called flood escape. I'm sorry that I kept jumping. It's just kind of nice. Wait, why do we have to add that? We could just whatever. Let's go over here. Oh no, I have to jump over here. Let's go. I'm so good. I got 2 in a row. Should have been 3 because I'm stupid. But why is it always the same one level like last? Okay, we've already done like. See, I did the last one again. I'm actually just so good. Come on. Okay. Last game, and then I'll probably end this video. Is my mic even on? Because it's still very boring. Okay. Okay. Hide. Let me hide that. That's actually very. I remember this game. It used to be. It was voted. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh! Oh! Oh. I remember this was voted the easiest map, and I never lost in it. And now I nearly lost because I was being stupid. Okay. That was scary. Wait, how much wins do you need to get that speed? I don't know, but it's definitely like 6 wins or something. This. Wait. Oh, I nearly fell. I'm just gonna risk it for a biscuit. Okay. Oh. Yes. Okay. Risky poles? Is this the same one? Oh no, it's different. Okay. No, it's the same one. What? Yes, the same one. Over and over again. No. Why did I do that again? And I know I'm not risking it for a biscuit this time. No. Oh no. Why would I do that? No. That's actually so dumb. I should have done. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will Inshallah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.